Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stratis coin. As in my previous video, I told you that the Stratis is moving in an up channel and it can break down the support of these channels in the Bitcoin market and in the US dollar market as well. I told you two reasons behind that. One was the volume profile, the indication of the volume profile of this complete price action moving within this channel, and the completion, the final leg completion of the different harmonic patterns as well. Now, let me to show you first of all the clip from the previous video. Then it will be easy for you to understand. Now, if we move to the live chart, at this time the price action with US dollar pair, this is the Bitcoin pair and this is the US dollar pair. Price action with Bitcoin pair and in US dollar pair, both it is moving in this up channel. And if we place this volume profile on the complete price action moving within this channel, then we can see that we have this point of control of the volume profile below this support. And we also have the trader's interest up to this level. And below this level, we have a weak trader's interest. So we have a trader's interest even below this support of this up channel. And we also have this volume profile below this support. That is indicating that the price line can move up to at least this level. That is a point of control, because the POC, or point of control of the volume profile, always works as a center of gravity for the price line. Whenever the price line moves up or moves down, it always moves back to this point of control of the volume profile if you have found a correct pattern. So this was a clip from my previous video, and now you can see that the price action has moved up to this point of control of this volume profile. And if we watch with the US dollar pair and we place this volume profile indicator on this chart as well, from this candlestick up to this candlestick within this, the price action that is moving within this up channel, then the price action is still moving down but did not reach up to this point of control of the volume profile. And we have the trader's interest from the downside up to this level. So in the US dollar market, there can be more expectation that the price action can move more down up to at least at this point of control of the volume profile. Now, the people are asking that how is it possible that it will be moved more down to complete this final leg of this bullish shark pattern in the US dollar market, and it will be not moved more down in the Bitcoin market because it has already completed the final leg of the bullish shark pattern in the Bitcoin market. Yes, this is possible. For example, if we watch the price action of BTC at this time is struggling at the resistance of $11,000. Now it has broken out a very significant resistance of the $10,000. Whenever the price action of any asset breaks out any significant or strong resistance, then there are more than 80% chances that the price action moves down and retests the previous resistance as a support. And at this time, the price action is, you can see, consolidated at this level of $11,000. So there is a possibility that the Bitcoin will move down up to this 10K resistance. That was resistance. Now it will work as a support. And after retesting this resistance, it will move up again. And in the meanwhile, with the Bitcoin, the Stratis will also move more down, but it will turn less bearish than the Bitcoin. Then it can move sideways in the Bitcoin market, and it can move more down to complete this final leg of the bullish shark pattern. So in this way, there is a possibility that even though it has completed this final leg of the bullish shark pattern that was not completed in my previous video, now you can see that as I predicted, it is entered in this potential reversal zone and it will move sideways here. And in the meanwhile, in the US dollar market, it will move more down to complete this final leg of the bullish shark pattern in the US dollar market. And this leg will be completed. And as per Fibonacci sequence, I have defined this. This is the buying zone, and these are the sell targets in the Bitcoin market. You can watch these targets, and I am also again sharing these targets in the video's description as well. So it can be up to 76% bullish rally, but if the price action can move up even beyond this level, it will break out this 0.786 Fibonacci projection of C to D leg, then it can even turn more bullish. But at this time, I'm expecting realistically a bullish move up to this level at least. And this should be our stop loss in any case. We should use this potential reversal zone as our stop loss, because if this potential reversal zone of the bullish shark pattern will be broken down, then it can even move more down. And definitely I'll post more update on that if we will have that situation. So this was the update so far on the Stratis coin. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. Take care. Goodbye.